Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is February the 6th, and the time is around 5 o'clock GMT. So here we are updating the chart of the Nikkei today. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see Nikkei has already started to rally higher again, and this is not the only index that rallies. I mean, all the other world indices also continue to rally, and this rally currently is unfolding as an impulse. Okay, and so this pullback here ended with 4 at 22,628, and now is doing a wave 5 to the upside, and the wave 5 subdivides into another 5 waves here. So this is wave 1 of 5, this is wave 2 of 5, and then as long as we stay above 22,628, we could continue to see further upside. Okay, now if we look at the larger degree and looking at the 4-hour partial count here, if we focus on the cycle from August 24 low here, okay, we got what looks to be also an impulsive move. So this is the 3 and 4. This is the 4 that we saw here in the 1-hour chart here. So this is your 3. You can see it did a 3 pullback, very nice, reaching the 100% extension here. Okay, and then immediately bounced. So so anybody who bought the 3 pullback at the 100% would have been already, by now the position should be risk free already, meaning you can already move your stop. Okay, and as of now we have started to rally higher, and again the rally higher looks impulsive, so that means most likely, as far as we stay above 22,628, we could continue to see further upside. Now obviously it needs to break above wave 3 first to confirm that you know, we don't do double correction. But at this stage, I think the evidence definitely favors the bulls, because the rally is higher on a bullish trend, and we only got 3 pullback. And then on top of that, you got other world indices like the Dow futures and the Nasdaq futures. They all have already broken to new all-time high. So again, all the evidence seems to be favoring we are going to see more upside here, and so therefore any pullback now should find support in the sequence of 3711 swing against 22,628 for the upside. Alright, so that's the update, and I hope you enjoy it. Please do like and subscribe if you do like, and also we'll provide the link to the 14 days free trial in the description of the video, as well as a promotion that we have right now with the gold plan. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.